Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. Ano nyo guys, oh.
Alright, so this is what got accomplished today. We just put in some more dirt. I'm gotta be careful here because this is like ice. So we're gonna put lawn in there soon. I'm getting there, maybe 2 more weeks. Alrighty, just wrapped up. I didn't get to shoot too much footage today because it is raining outside. It was raining really heavy kanina, but you know, hindi masyado ngayon. Just spitting lang. But yeah, so we dug out the front. We put in some new dirt so that when we get the grass on Monday, I think it is, it will be all nice and flat. Grass will be ready to grow. Usually it takes like 2 weeks before it kind of joins together. By the 3rd and 4th week, it should be looking pretty good. But yeah, we went to Hackham West to get some more sleepers, and I was sitting in the back. I should have videoed it actually, but I was sitting in the back of the car where the dog sleeps. So, you know, it had quite a nice scent to it. But yeah, it's the first time I've been in the back seat. Can't even remember when. 3 years, 4 years, maybe longer. But yeah, so I'm going home. I gotta pick up Lele once again because she's finishing school at 3 or 5? Something like that. I never remember. I think it's 3:05. So yeah, I'll pick up Lele now and I will eat because I'm so hungry. But today, guys, I'm well rested. As you can see, eye bags. I'm so shy. My eye bags aren't that bad today. I got like 6.5, or it might even be 7 hours sleep, which is a blessing. So I'm full of energy today. Let's do this. Keys are help. Look at that Ferrari purr. So first delivery for today, guys. Fresh puto, tapos leche flan, and then of course our tarts. Very, very tasty, and I hope they will enjoy. Second delivery later is this custom chocolate cake. Wishing this was our cake for dessert. This will go perfect with coffee, guys. Ayun na, guys. I like it when it's cold and sunny. It's raining a little bit. Medyo malamig, as you can see. Me and Mimi Tots or Lele Tots. Yeah, Mimi Tots. We're walking. Need to get some diapers for baby.
Yeah, and me.
And you don't wear diapers.
I do.
Let's cross. Different age. Huh? Huh? Wala? Wow, for the first time, calls walang music. Pwede mag-vlog. Ayan, si Mimi screaming na lang. Ayan, look at my 2 twinnies. Different ages.
I'm sick.
Daming tao. What are we looking for? Chocolate? Call Mimi. Ah!
It's
Okay.
that one.
Ha means
It's
dog
over
food.
here.
Dog food?
That is over there.
Oh, I know.
Ah?
Oh, I cannot touch it though. And every time we come to the mall, she doesn't want me to touch. Look, watch. She doesn't want me to touch the handles. But how am I supposed to move it?
And a bestie, we're dead.
section. No, keep your kamais to yourself.
Here in the car. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. Ano nyo guys, oh. So sinundo na lang kami ni Andy doon. Kasi hindi na kami lumusong. Nakabili naman kami ng mga kailangan namin, like yung diapers, yung soap, tsaka ilang chocolate para sa live namin. Mamaya magla-live kami. Kailangan may snack kami kasi sakto yan. Hindi pa natutulog si Mimi. For sure, mahaba ang tulog nito kaya may chance kaming makapag-live para makapag-chikahan sa inyo. Diba? Diba?
Yes.
Yes! Aww! Aray ko! Buti na lang na-document ko yun, ha? It's her first time na-document ko na video. She said yes. Haha. Okay guys, pauwi na kami. We'll keep you posted.
Are you cleaning? Oh, you don't use your hand, baby. Use this. Use this. Yeah, someone's cleaning, or at least trying to clean the floor. Yeah. Good job. Put some more water on it. You gotta clean your face as well. Oh, ang sarap. Kanina.
Ang sarap kanina. Ang sarap kasi. Kata mo ako.
It's not agad.
Sorry naman. But I'm one day.
She knows now not to go near things. Sometimes. Not always.
We're gonna play now. Mimi. Mimi. Mimi.
Oh, you get the eggs, Mimi. There. Wow.
I'll put them in the box. Mom, I'll put them in the box.
Oh, where's the other eggs, Mimi?
Mom, I found one more.
We go. Find.
I'm so fast because I know where they are.
Yeah. There.
Mom, and there's one already. Mom, look, I found some.
Ang dami.
Mom,
Yes.
not my son. Mom,
There's some more. Mimi, look. Look.
Mom showed them. Mom showed them.
Oh.
Mom, and
You
I
got it.
another one.
Mimi, got it.
Mom, and I got another one.
Go, Mimi.
Do we have those chocolates?
Yeah. Wow.
I found so
We are
many.
Easter egg thing.
Mom,
Yeah, this is your phone.
Mimi!
Yeah, dami na kay Aliyah.
No, don't throw it.
No, babe, no. Magagalit si Granddad. There's more.
I remember
there's
when
more,
they list
Mom.
height.
Mom, there's one at the plant.
Give mo kay Mimi. Give Mimi more.
I already got 2 purples.
Yay! You found everything?
I think there's more around. Everything.
What is that?
Egg LOL.
You found everything na?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Hi guys, bahay na kami. Hi! Hi! Ayan. Ayan, dumidede po siya. At the moment. Ayan, thank you guys for watching our vlog ha. Wala kami masyadong ginawa ngayon pero pinanood nyo pa rin. Kaya we are happy na nandyan kayo palagi. Habang si Mimi ay busy down there. So thank you guys for watching. Sana po sa lahat ng mga hindi pa namin subscribers, click nyo lang po ang subscribe. And syempre ang bell para ma-notify kayo kapag po kami ay may bagong upload. Thank you! Happy watching! Bye-bye! Good night!